Strength training isn't just for athletes or bodybuilders. It's for everyone who wants to move better, feel stronger, and live longer. A beginner strength routine helps build muscle, protect joints, improve metabolism, and boost confidence. Taking care of your body through exercise is one of the most effective ways to ensure long-term physical, mental, and emotional well-being. When we strength train, we don't just grow muscles, we strengthen the heart, bones, and mind. Regular resistance exercise improves posture, reduces stress, and prevents age-related muscle loss. In short, it's the ultimate form of self-care. Many modern habits work against our health goals. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long hours reduces muscle activity and circulation. Poor diet. Excessive processed foods and sugar lead to inflammation and energy crashes. Lack of exercise weakens muscles, slows metabolism, and reduces endurance. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, affecting recovery and immune health. Smoking and alcohol damage organs, reduce oxygen supply, and slow healing. Sleep deprivation impairs recovery, hormonal balance, and mental clarity. These factors combine to accelerate aging, increase body fat, and decrease energy. Ignoring physical health can lead to several chronic conditions: obesity, from lack of activity and poor nutrition; heart disease, due to high cholesterol, poor circulation, and sedentary behavior; type 2 diabetes, caused by insulin resistance from poor lifestyle choices; hypertension, high blood pressure, triggered by stress, poor diet, and inactivity; depression and anxiety, often linked to lack of movement and poor sleep; osteoporosis, weak bones due to lack of resistance training. Your body gives signals when it needs attention: constant fatigue or low motivation, poor posture or recurring pain, unexplained weight gain or loss, decreased strength or flexibility, frequent illness or slow recovery, high stress levels or irritability. These are warning signs that your body is under strain, physically and mentally. The first step is making sustainable lifestyle changes. For beginners, strength training doesn't need to be complex or intimidating. A simple beginner strength routine. Day 1, full body workout 2 to 3 times per week. Body weight squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps push-ups or knee push-ups. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, bent over rows with dumbbells or bands. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Plank, hold for 20 to 45 seconds. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg guidelines. Focus on form over weight. Rest 60-90 seconds between sets. Gradually increase resistance as you get stronger. Other remedies for better health. Nutrition. Prioritize whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and complex carbs. Hydration. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. Sleep 7-9 hours nightly for muscle repair and recovery. Mindfulness. Use breathing exercises or meditation to reduce stress. Medical care. Annual checkups help catch issues early. A good routine for self-care combines movement, recovery, and consistency. Daily self-care, blueprint, 30 to 45 minutes of moderate exercise, strength or cardio. Stretch or walk after long sitting periods. Balanced meals with proteins and healthy fats. Limit processed foods and sugar. Consistent sleep schedule. Weekly, example routine. Monday, full body strength training. Tuesday, light cardio or active recovery. Wednesday, rest or yoga. Thursday, strength training. Friday, cardio plus core work. Weekend, family activity or long walk. Small daily improvements lead to lasting results. Strength training dates back to ancient Greece and Rome, where athletes and warriors trained with stones and primitive weights. In modern times, scientific research has proven its benefits beyond physical appearance. Improves bone density, preventing osteoporosis. Enhances insulin sensitivity, reducing diabetes risk. Increases mitochondrial health, supporting energy production. Boosts mental health, reducing symptoms of depression. Organizations like the American Heart Association and World Health Organization, WHO, now recommend at least 2 strength training sessions per week for adults. Ignoring physical health can have long-term consequences. Chronic fatigue and weakness, loss of muscle mass, sarcopenia, increased risk of metabolic diseases, poor balance and coordination, leading to injuries, emotional distress, and low confidence. Over time, neglecting strength and self-care can drastically reduce your independence and quality of life. Building strength is one of the best investments you can make in your health. A beginner routine doesn't need fancy equipment or a gym membership, just consistency and patience. Start small, stay committed, and your progress will follow. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider or fitness professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have medical conditions or injuries. Your body is your lifelong home. Treat it with care, move it daily, and it will reward you with energy, confidence, and vitality.